Hi, it's Terry here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's card, I am sharing this unique stamp set from Blot shop. This stamp set is called Aiden's Art, and it's great because Tiffany over at Blot shop will be donating $5 per stamp set to Autism Society for retail sales placed now through November 31st. I think it's a great organization to support. For more information, you can check out the links down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so to start off my card, I am going in with white cardstock, and I'm using my mini Misty platform here. And I'm stamping the flower that Aiden drew for the stamp set. And I'm stamping this down with Copic marker friendly ink. And the paper that I'm using is also Copic marker friendly. I will have all of the information down below in the description if you're interested in which products I'm using today. Okay, and after I stamped out the flower, I went ahead and grabbed this stamp set from Blot shop. This one's called Teacher's Greeting. And before I stamp the sentiment down on my cardstock, I like using the A2 alignment guide. And the A2 alignment guide is really nice because it helps you align your sentiment straight on your card panel. So I went ahead and did that and stamped out the sentiment with black ink. Okay, now everything's stamped out. I am going to go in and do some Copic coloring. And my Copic coloring for today's card is very simple. So I'll go ahead and play a little bit of music and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I am back. So that was my 18-month-old daughter, and she wanted to create her own card. And I thought that was fun to include her in this video. So after I finished my card, I went in with one of my favorite things, Stitch rectangle die. I believe this is the Wonky Stitch rectangle die. I'll leave the information down below if you're interested in taking a look at it. But I went ahead and ran that through my die cutting machine, and I like this rectangle die because the stitches are exactly what it says in the title of the rectangle frame. It's wonky, which I think gives an interesting vibe to the card. So after looking at the card, I thought that the card needed a little bit of drama. So going in with my ink blending brushes as well as my Distress Oxide ink, I went ahead and blended that around the edges of the card panel. Then going in with some masking paper, I applied that over the flower image. I plan on adding paint splatters all over my card panel, so I needed to mask off the areas that I didn't want the paint to get onto. So now going in with my paint and my paintbrush, I went ahead and splattered that onto the card panel. And now it's time to remove the masking paper. I just love how a little bit of splatter can finish off your card panel. So now I wanted a little more details onto the colored image. So just going in with a white gel pen, I added a little details here and there. Finally, I adhered it to a top folding card base. And that's pretty much it for this card. It's very simple and I just love it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that everything that I use in this video is listed down below. Okay, so I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.